everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to contact support on Ring app. To get started, let's open Ring app. Before this, make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. In this interface, you can see 3 bar on top left corner. Click on it. And now it will show you this menu. Here, go to Control Center. And now it will navigate you to this interface. Here, scroll down until you find Customer Support. It will help us to get personal help from community support agents. So click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. To contact support, tap on Contact Support. And it will navigate you to this browser. Here you can contact customer care either by going Chat with US option. It is open only from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Or you can also call them, or you can join community. So here on bottom you can see a list of the country and the phone number. You can also contact with this phone number. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.